Ooh. Oh, my compensator is going bad. I think it might have just gone bad. Hey, old girl. It's been a minute. Let's see if you start. There. Good girl. Let's go for a ride.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you. And yeah, baby, back on the Dyna. This poor girl, this poor baby, she hasn't been ridden in a week and a half. You know, ever since I got the Scrambler, it's been a rough decision trying to decide which bike I want to ride for the day. And honestly, that's like best case scenario situation to be in, you know? I've never had that luxury. God, you guys are crooked. I should have fixed that. Ugh, there you go. Hey. But yeah, I've never had that luxury of like being able to decide between two motorcycles. I mean, I've had my husband's bike, but it was the same. It was almost the exact same as mine. So I was just like, if I'm gonna ride a Dyna, I'm gonna ride my Dyna. Once again, on my lunch break, running errands, because your girl still works full time and we're getting closer to Christmas. It's the holidays, like work's getting crazy. So take every opportunity I can to hop on the bike for any excuse. So we're gonna go check what's been going on in the P.O. box. And in the meantime, I've been wanting to let you guys know I got some updates. Some updates for like the Her Two Wheels man. First one's first. It feels weird saying this because for a long time I was very against it because I was very lazy. But time and time again, you guys have proven that you care about me and you care about my channel and you want to see, you know, like you want to see more variety with the things that I've been posting. And I can't tell you how many times I've had people say, well, why don't you open a Patreon? Guys, I've had a Patreon. I did it. It was so much work. I didn't know how to make it worthwhile. So I did start the YouTube membership. That's so easy for me. I get to communicate with you guys one-on-one. There's specific perks and features that you can use on YouTube, like custom emojis during live chat, stuff like that. So I do have the YouTube subscription feature, which has been literally a godsend. When my bike broke down, you guys quite literally carried the channel for me when I couldn't ride and I had repairs coming up, and you had my back. I confided in you when that happened, and it was just a really great way to be able to talk to you guys one-on-one without posting a video that thousands and thousands of people can see. So there is that. If you're interested in joining, the link is right down below in the description. There should be a little join button. And then I gave it a lot of thought. About Patreon. From what I've been hearing, Patreon is changing. It's not as gracious as it used to be. It's not just people can sign up and help support their favorite creators. It's a little more, it's a business, and Patreon has to make money too. So I deleted my Patreon for a while. Long story short, I opened it back up again, but I completely revamped it. It's not a tiered monthly subscription. I changed it to you get to pay for what you want. So the minimum bottom dollar is literally $1. If there's something that you want access to or you want to just help me out in general, it's $1. So you pay for what you want to see. And I just love being able to have a private platform where I can hang out with like my closest confidants. Like you guys really are the closest to me and my brand in this channel, and I truly treasure and value your input in a world of such negativity that is the YouTube comment section. Yep, I started a Patreon again, just with the state of the world and the state of my career. trying to slowly build up a sustainable, livable means to being a motorcyclist on the internet. So that being said, I also have some really fun merchandise I've been working on. Here's a couple clips of like the merch that I've been working on, updated stickers and stuff. And if you're interested in any of my merchandise, I'm running a deal. I'm running a 20% off code right now because like those seem to do so well. I want you guys to be able to get the merch that you're interested in, the stickers that you've been looking for. And so if you go down into my Teespring and check out my merchandise, I'm actually going to leave this up as a permanent code. So even a year down the road, if you guys find this video, the code should still work. So if you use this code end of 2020, That's going to be your 20% off discount to anything you want in my Teespring, and that could be your entire purchase, not just one item. So happy shopping. If you post on Instagram, tag me in the photos of my t-shirts, stickers, mugs, whatever you guys decide to get, even if it's for, you know, a loved one, a gift. Just take a picture and tag me once they receive it, because I love seeing it, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. I have a lot of work to do with the bikes here soon. A lot of physical, actual work I need to do with the motorcycles, and oh man, the days are so short and it is so cold, and the last place I want to be is in my freezing dark garage. So I'm hoping that I can get like a nice clear sunny day here soon that's above 50 degrees where I can really start cranking out some stuff. Those videos should hopefully be coming soon, if not have previously passed, because I never ever know when I'm going to post these videos. I have been known to wait quite a few months before posting a video. Time just slips away, you know? Once again, it's a super crazy windy day. I'm back on the Dyna for the first time in a week and a half, and it's just, man, this girl's all over the road. Apparently everyone else is out running errands on their lunch break too. How is it so cloudy and so sunny at the same time? Vampire. But yeah, man, I've been having such issues with my gear. You hear me complain about this damn GoPro all the time. It has just like legitimately been freezing up. I have really been wanting to. You're in the GoPro 9. Hey. I still have the GoPro 7 on my chin, and I've really been wanting to upgrade this one as well. But once again, I don't want to, you know, spend so much money on another GoPro Hero 9 and then have to have it exposed to the elements just to use the mic adapter. So I'm just going to try to use this one for as long as possible. And then once again, obviously, anything from the YouTube membership or the Patreon page, all of those, like 100% of those proceeds go back into this damn channel, because it is a money pit. Can you imagine having a channel less than 100,000 subscribers? And it is so expensive to maintain. I'm gonna tell you what, I should break down all of the monthly costs that it costs just to upload videos. Man, the Adobe Creative Suite alone is like, what? Why is this so much money? And stay tuned. I have a video coming out here very soon about behind the scenes of creating a YouTube video and managing a YouTube channel. I 100% cannot believe that I'm still working full-time and making content on YouTube essentially full-time. 2 videos a week, that is a lot of work. Lot of work. And you get your highs and your lows, you know? Like, they're not all bangers. By any means, they're not all bangers. Oh my gosh, my saddlebags are so freaking loud. The reason I took the Dyna today is because I actually have saddlebags though. Don't have any storage on the Scrambler. And I hate wearing book bags. That is no fun. Alright, let's go see what we got in the old handy dandy P.O. box. Oh, by the way, this is the address to the P.O. box. Thanks. 114. Nothing? Well, that's embarrassing. I swear I got notifications. Oh, time to turn around and go back home, I guess. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh, just look at her. Would you just look at her? So beautiful. So elegant. So dirty and covered in birch. And she's my dirty girl. I don't care. Also, I should, while we're on the subject of creating a channel and content and stuff, if you're ever interested in the tools that I use, like this little handlebar mount right here, link is in the description. Link to everything I own is in the description, even this little bag. My favorite part. Ooh. Oh, my compensator is going bad. I think it might have just gone bad. Shit. Yeah, baby.
looks like we're gonna be making a phone call to my guys at Harley Davidson probably today. And once again, there's a perfect example of why every little penny you guys send to me is very, very much appreciated. Oh, that didn't sound good whatsoever. Alright, let's get out of here before anything else breaks. Oh, that didn't sound good at all. Man, I just spent so much money getting her rear wheel fixed, like literally a month ago, and now I gotta get her back in for a new compensator. Honestly, actually, it's not even just the compensator. It's gonna be a big... She needs her 25,000 mile service done, so we're probably gonna be looking at rebuilding the forks, the neck seals and bearings and all. I think there's 3 main things that we're going to be looking at: the forks and the neck seals, I think it is. I don't know jack about anything mechanically, but that's why I'm going to take it to the dealership and be like, she needs her 25,000 mile service. We need to do a lot. She's an old girl and she gets ridden. Well, it's been a wonderful excuse. Useless. I didn't have anything in my P.O. box, so that was embarrassing, but it's been a wonderful excuse to just get out and ride. I loved being back on her. She's so dirty. Like, that's literally bird crap. I'm sorry. I feel so bad. Don't take care of her. It might be smack in the middle of the week, smack in the middle of the day, but any reason to ride is a good reason to ride. I seriously can't believe that just happened. Here I am updating you guys on ways that you can help support the channel. Literally, I thought the bike just broke again. I was like, no, not again. Jeez. I think I'll probably be taking a break from her for a couple weeks and riding the Triumph while I figure out cost, time, transportation, how I can get her into the dealership and get her feeling a little bit better, because that was the worst I've ever heard. And from what I know is you want to repair these things before they actually break, because then it's a much, much simpler repair. So definitely going to head home, call my guys over at Harley Davidson, see what we can do about getting her just worked on. That was scary. I really thought I was going to have to call a tow truck. Woo! Anyway, if you guys are new here, my name is Jess, aka Her Two Wheels, and I post motorcycle related content every single week. If this is your first time checking out my videos, I'm sorry, this one wasn't really that exciting, but hey, hit that like and subscribe just in case, because they're not all gonna be like this. As always, I hope you guys get every opportunity to get out and ride your motorcycle during the last few days of 2020. And until next time, you be good, and I will see you later. I immediately came home and I called Harley Davidson, and they are on their way here right now to come pick up this bike. We're gonna get her in for her 25,000 mile service and a brand new compensator. I love that they come pick the bike up for me because it has been rainy and cold and sleeting outside, and it's a good 35-minute ride for me one way, not to mention how the heck am I gonna get back home. So they do offer a service if your guys' bike is busted, broken down, or just needs repairs. They do have a shuttle service. So any 3 locations, Faro East, Faro Downtown, and Faro North, the best people. Let's see her get loaded up and go away. All right, well, Harley just called me. They are almost here, so I'm gonna get the bike outside and ready to load it up on the van. She is not broken. This is routine maintenance that I'm doing. Like I mentioned, she's a little over 26,000 miles, so she's about 1,000 miles over her 25,000 mile service. And I've known for over a year that the compensator is going bad. Might as well get her in for the 25,000 mile service and update the compensator. The original compensator that came with this motorcycle in 2009 is officially obsolete. They don't make it anymore, so we are upgrading to a Screaming Eagle compensator. He's here. Here to take my girl home. I was gonna say, you can ride her. She starts. me. Mr. Already. He hasn't even closed the doors. Luckily for me, I have another motorcycle. Let's go ride.